Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically translate your Google Docs document. So for instance, you have this document. This is just a paragraph, but it works for like a whole document. Go to tools and select translate document. You can name the document title here. I'm just going to leave it. And then you're just going to choose like a language. I'm just going to select, for instance, Indonesian, and I'm going to select translate. And it's going to bring me to the translated page as well. And it's going to also be saved in like your documents, of course. Let me just edit that a little bit. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. That's how you can translate documents on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.